Hello everyone, this is MD Nuruddin Islam, and welcome back to MN Zone 1, YouTube channel. How are you all? Hope you all are well.
ViVO quietly launched a new affordable phone in Indonesian. Its highlight feature is the 44W flash charge. Most of the similar offerings from the company are rated at only 18W. The flash charge system can push the 5000 mAh battery to 70% in 34 minutes. If you're in a hurry, a 15-minute top-up is enough for nearly 7 hours of streaming video. The battery should last 2 days of normal usage or up to 7 hours of gaming. The new ViVO Y35 is like an upgraded Y33T, besides the 44W charging. The new model also drives its 6.58 IPS LCD at 90 Hz, up from 60 Hz. This is an FHD Plus display 29, with 550 nits of brightness and 96% coverage of the NTSC color gamut. Another similar model is the Y55, though that one is equipped with a 6.44, 60 Hz AMOLED display. All three models that we mentioned are powered by the Snapdragon 680. This 4G chipset is basically a 6nm variant of the Snapdragon 662, 11nm, and it offers solid performance for the price range, plus 20% single-core CPU and plus 10% GPU performance compared to the 662. Also, ViVO didn't skimp on memory. There is 8GB of RAM, plus up to 8GB virtual RAM, and 128GB storage with a dedicated slot for microSD cards up to 1TB. The phone launches with FunTouch OS 12 based on Android 12. The ViVO Y35 features a triple camera with a 50MP module, f1.8 lens, as the main attraction, since the two other modules are a 2MP macro cam and a 2MP depth sensor. The selfie camera on the front has a 16MP sensor, both it and the rear cam have dedicated night modes. The Y35 is equipped with a 3.5mm headphone jack and brings a high-res audio certification, and an FM radio receiver. Audio Booster 2.0 promises to crank up the single speaker to 72 decibels so that you can hear it even in very noisy places. This is a 4G phone with dual SIM, dual standby connectivity. Additional features include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0 and a GNSS receiver, GPS. Galileo, GLONASS, Beidou and QZSS. There is a fingerprint reader on the side with 0.24s reaction time. The Y35 is available in two colors, Dawn Gold and Agate Black. The matte finish wards off fingerprints while the IP54 rating keeps dust at bay and can protect against a splash of water. According to a report by 91 Mobiles Hindi, the Y35 will be available in India only in one configuration. The device will come with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. It will be priced at 18,499 rupees. The phone will be available in agate black and dawn gold color options. In another report, PriceBaba has revealed cashback offers for the ViVO Y35. Buyers of the ViVO Y35 can avail 1,000 rupees cashback with SBI, ACC, and Kotak Bank cards. With this offer, the effective price of the device will be 17,499 rupees.
So this was our video today. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please give it a like in the video. Keep subscribing to the channel. See you all in the next video.